At UC San Diego, we divert 13,000 tons of waste every year.
And our reduced energy use saves $12 million a year.
This is already one of the greenest campuses in America.
That's all great, but it's not enough. We're using new technologies and new research to create the next green wave. Welcome to UC San Diego. The future of sustainability is already here.
UC San Diego was researching global climate change before anyone called it that.
More than 50 years ago, UC San Diego scientist Charles David Keeling warned the world about the threats of global warming.
In 2007, our scientists shared the Nobel Peace Prize with Al Gore.
We're used to leading. Who else is going to create the future?
At UC San Diego, we're all about the weather.
We're on rooftops
With state-of-the-art equipment,
Collecting real-time data with student-built weather stations.
the data will make us more efficient in heating and cooling our buildings and irrigating the grounds.
That's not all we're doing up on rooftops. We're planting trees, too. Solar trees that will produce 1.5 million kilowatt hours of energy a year.
And we're building an advanced fuel cell that will take waste methane gas and turn it into clean, renewable energy, enough to power 3,000 homes.
all part of a green energy program to reduce our carbon footprint.
At UC San Diego, we basically live at the beach. See all that water out there? We're figuring out ways to use that to cool our campus buildings. Seawater air conditioning will save 100 million gallons of potable water each year.
And then there's Pond Scum. While others see corn-based ethanol as solving our fuel problems,
Driving up grocery prices, who needs that?
we're in the lab working with simple algae to create advanced biofuels.
Pond Scum can save the world.
Hold on, there's more.
UC San Diego is building a superconducting electrical grid to save energy and support solar and wind power across campus.
Our smart electricity grid is already online. We are able to supply 4 megawatts of energy from our grid to the city of San Diego during the 2007 wildfires.
And don't forget about the boxes.
You mean the modular data centers?
Exactly, we're already housing computers and servers in here.
So we don't need climate-controlled buildings for all this stuff, saving both space and energy.
And we're working on ways to store and save solar power.
And make wind power more efficient.
And turn carbon into a tradable commodity.
We're building a natural gas and hydrogen fuel station and alternative fuel engines.
And we're doing it all right here at UC San Diego, a living laboratory for real-world solutions.
We're focused on the future.
That's the way we live.
And so does the planet.